Good afternoon. My name is Dana Paula Blanco Contreras. I have 18 years old. I am from Corozal, Sucre. I live in Corozal. I am student. My favorite passport is reading. I live with my parents and brothers. I am a student country. My series favorite is Guerreros. My favorite sport is volleyball. My family is: my mother is Carmen Contreras. She is 15 years old, is a householder, is from Corozal, Sucre. My mother is respectful and loving. She has unbroken hair and is of darker skin. My father is Luis Blanco. He is 52 years old. He is broken in various styles. He is uncolorful. My father is affectionate, has black hair and brown skin. My sister is Lina Blanco. She is 21 years old. She is colorful. She likes to read. She is brown skin and brown hair. Thank you.